Yo, I'm getting pissed with these fucking skeeters.
What?
These skeeters.
Alright guys, so I wasn't gonna make... I hate you. I hate you.
Damn, they do look good.
They do look good. I can never record in front of him.
I don't know why it looks bigger now. Like, put it next
I wasn't gonna make a video today, but we are rebuilding my Siberius ones, and this is the first wheel. I'm gonna show you in depth putting together the second wheel, and Sebastian's all over
Hey!
doing his blitzes too.
Like fit wide.
Yeah. All right, so we just got this wheel all torqued down. It was actually super easy, but these lips look like 5-inch lips because it literally takes 1 inch from the face right here where it bolts up. So they don't look too big, but they're gonna be 10, or they're gonna be 11.5 negative, I think 40 something, because I think they were plus 10 before. The guy before me told me they were plus 0, but I think they're plus 40. So either negative 50 or negative 40. Huh?
They can't add 0. Yeah, they're negative. Like,
I mean, they're definitely negative.
Let's see. If this is a 6 and this is a 4, right? Or is this 5? This is a 6, a 5, right? Because it's 11.
5.5.
So 5.5. So this would basically be plus -5, and then
No, it wouldn't.
no, the lips. I'm saying, like, since this is 5, I mean not -5.
It would be negative like 15
10,
or something.
15, yeah. So how much farther do you think this sits back? Where's your other face? You have it out, right?
Yeah, it's over there somewhere.
Where the fuck is it?
It's on the cabinet we built. Yeah, go get my faces, bitch.
I wouldn't say no -40.
It has to. Well,
I mean, yeah, because it is already like -15. It's like, it's -30 to 40. Yeah, that makes sense because the lips are all the way up here.
they're definitely gonna poke more than my other wheels that I had.
Yeah, they're gonna be past the fucking.
They're gonna be bigger than these.
Flares.
Well, more negative.
They'll be more negative, yeah. Because you can look at my faces. Got a big old chunk, but they only kind of go to right here too.
Yeah, these wheels look hella weird. Their faces. They look like straight.
They're like spiders, like walking around. Like,
They look like straight off of like 2000 Honda.
yeah, they do. They do look ricey without lips.
They look ricey as
If you
hell.
walk by in the junkyard, you'd be like, yo, what the fuck is that?
It's okay. We're just ricers.
We are ricey.
Even your hair is rice.
My hair is cool. The ladies love me. Gotta get a towel to wipe off all that juices, you know?
Too bad you only got one lady. Alright, so on this wheel, I'm going to be giving you guys a little bit more in-depth of a video. So, get your lip here. And it has one big hole, you see it right there. You have to put that on to the valve stem. Alright, and then that lines up. So now, once you get this on the back side of here, actually the lips and the barrels bolt up themselves at first together. So the face has nothing to do, like his wheels, mine are different. Alright, I'm trying to do this with one hand, so it might be a little shaky. So I'm gonna start off with the valve stem. So you skip 2 holes and put it in this one, right here. And then you skip 1 hole, put it in here, and then you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put it in the 6th one, right here. Oh shit, I missed count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the 6th one right here. And then skip 1 again. Go to this one. And then again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the way around the wheel. We already got that on. I'm going to put you guys on time lapse, and I'm going to be putting the nuts on the back side of these, and then I'm going to tighten them all up, and then we're going to be back and dropping the faces into the actual wheel.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't want to miss a beat.
It's not even time lapse. You have to actually do time lapse.
There you go. Just fast.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Neglecting the viewers, bro.
What? I got a bucket and you didn't.
You did get a bucket. I should have asked her if I could have got a bucket.
It's hot.
Fucking cunt.
God damn it.
Alright guys, so now we're going to be sealing the wheels. So we just got some white Gorilla silicone. We're going to spin them around this chair. And then we're going to have a nice small bead. You don't want a super thick bead, because then when you put tires on and off, it's going to tear the bead of the silicone. So try and get the smallest amount of silicone in here as possible. I'll actually show you his wheels, because his wheels are sealed pretty well. Where's your front wheel? Huh? Where? Oh. Your fronts haven't been taken apart yet, right? Yeah. Try and get a seal super nice and thin, just like that. This was probably a machine seal, but you can't really see it because it's clear. But so you get your caulk on, and you have to cut the tip off of this. Now you just run your bead across. All right, guys, it's dark out, but it's still hot as shit. I'm fucking sweaty as hell. Are you sweaty? Yeah. It is hot. But I just got the seal done. And now just gotta let them dry. They look good as shit.
Oh, it went on the front. Not good.
As long as it keeps airing, it should keep going.
Yeah, but that's limited.
Huh?
This will stop at like 40 or something.
These tires look tall as shit.
Like over there. Do it because your camera. I used to hate that. Welcome. I remember the arm always being in there. That's funny. We're back at the garage. Zach got his wheels. I don't really care. Let's flip the camera. Oh, hang on. What you think? Studs a line? Oh, she's gonna be icy. You need to buy the charger for the Cobalt now. We need to lower your car down. Problem is you're gonna have to cut your spring more and then you won't have any spring left. That looks good. I need to step back.
I think they're poking too much.
No. That looks good. I hate how your wheel sits so far forward. It's because of the E36, that weird traction rod issue or whatever.
Yeah. Alright guys, I'm going to end the video here. So we got the wheels rebuilt, and I also am polishing the fronts of my Siberian ones as well, because, here I'll show you, I'm not done polishing yet. But you can just see the color distribution. Yeah, the guy before me I guess never really cleaned them or anything. But they're coming out clean, so that's all that matters. But you guys, thanks for watching, and next video is going to be just like a drift prep of getting my car ready for next weekend. I should be going to Washington Circuit Summit Point drift event, but it all depends on the weather. It's supposed to rain. If it's going to rain, I'm probably not going to go because my car gets really wet inside. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.